Hello folks, how are you? How you doing? Happy Friday, Friday. Thank God it's Friday, right? Today I happen to be off work, so we are here at the Interstate Park here in Wisconsin, Minnesota. So half of the park, I'm gonna go ahead and let you see it. Half of the park is in Wisconsin. Half of the park is in Minnesota. The only thing that is dividing Wisconsin and Minnesota is obviously this beautiful river. You get to see a lot of people kayaking here. As you can see, seems like a lot of fun. It's nice and relaxing if you like to pray, if you like to do a little bit of concentration. And obviously later on we are going to be doing the boat ride. As you can see, the boat is right there for us waiting. And this side happens to be Minnesota. It's absolutely beautiful, people. If you've never been here before, come and check it out. It is absolutely gorgeous. A lot of rocks, a lot of climbing, a lot of hiking. You can do a lot of sports over here too. As you can see, we got a lot of kayakers out there. So, highly recommended. This is called Interstate Park. Just like I said, half of the park is in Wisconsin. Half of the park happens to be here in Minnesota. And highly recommended. Never been to a place this beautiful, really. And you can see a lot of people hiking over there too. See? That is Wisconsin. And there's Sandy. Hi, la Sandy. Ay, Sandy, te luces, te luces. So from Wisconsin, Jesse's Wisconsin lifestyle. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Be safe. God bless you. And help one another. Don't judge. Don't judge. Right there, you can see the eagle. Bald eagle. Beautiful. Oh, it's right in there.
Good job, buddy. I don't know. You did a good job. You gotta like. Yes.
So we are here at the Interstate Park. It is between Wisconsin
Good job, sir.
and Minnesota, right in the borderline. So this is what is dividing the states. It is a beautiful place, never been here before, so I highly recommend it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, you can see the eagle now from here. Check this out. Right in there. That is a bald eagle. It is beautiful, nice and quiet. If you never been here before, I highly recommend it for you guys to come and check it out. It is nice and peaceful. You can definitely come and have fun with the family. It's family friendly. This particular boat, I just wanted to let you know also that it is pet friendly. It is called Taylor Princess. So if you guys ever happen to be here in the area, you bring your pet, you definitely have the opportunity to bring it aboard too. It is Sandy's first trip. And it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. This is St. Croix River. We are live here in Jesse's Wisconsin Lifestyle, YouTube and Facebook. Thank you for following us on Facebook and YouTube. It is definitely pretty, recommended 100%. It's a lot of people kayaking. It's just a lot of water, exploring. It's just beautiful.
Hey, baby. Hey, babe.
Hello. So for now, I will be saying goodbye. Have a great weekend. It is Labor Day coming up on Monday. So be safe, be kind to one another, and we'll be seeing you pretty soon. I have a few recipes for you guys to see in the future. Still editing the videos, and I'll be more than happy to share that as soon as it's ready, okay? For now, be safe, and we'll see you next time.